Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to file IRS Form 982 for canceled debt, also called reduction of tax attributes due to discharge of indebtedness. So this form is usually used when a debt was canceled, forgiven, or discharged, and you need to report the amount that may be excluded from your income. It is also helpful because it tells the IRS why the canceled debt should not be fully treated as taxable income. So to start, enter your name exactly as it appears on your tax return, then add your identifying number, such as social security number or employer identification number, depending on who is filing the form. Next, go to part 1, general information. On line 1, check the box that matches the reason the debt was discharged. For example, it may be related to Title 11 bankruptcy case, insolvency, qualified farm indebtedness, qualified real property business indebtedness, or qualified principal residence indebtedness. Only choose the box that applies to your situation. After that, on line 2, enter the total amount of canceled debt that you are excluding from gross income. So this amount should match the canceled debt amount that you are reporting with this form. Then line 3 asks if you want to treat certain real property as depreciable property. So check yes or no depending on your situation. Now move to part 2. So this section is where you show how the excluded canceled debt reduces certain tax attributes. To fill in the lines that apply, such as reduction to losses, credits, capital loss carryovers, or the basis of property. If a line does not apply, leave it blank. And part 3 is only for corporations that need consent to an adjustment of basis under the rules shown on the form. If this does not apply, you do not need to complete it. So once everything is complete, review the form carefully, attach any record explanation if needed, and attach Form 982 to your income tax return before filing. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.